Glossolalia is the phenomenon of speaking in an unknown language. Glossolalia is commonly practiced by Pentecostal and charismatic Christians and can now be heard in interdenominational and non-denominational churches also. Glossolalia is often understood among Protestant Christians as speaking in tongues, which is the fluid vocalizing of speech-like syllables that lack any readily comprehended meaning. Glossolalia is often experienced during times of prayer and worship, but is not limited to just those times alone. One can pray in tongues and even sing in tongues also. Acts 2, which describes speaking in tongues in Jerusalem at Pentecost. Acts 10 and 46, which the household of Cornelius spoke in tongues. Acts 19 verse 6, when a dozen men spoke in tongues in Ephesus as they received the Holy Spirit after the Apostle Paul laid his hands upon them. And lastly, 1 Corinthians 12, 13 and 14, where Paul discusses speaking in various kinds of tongues as part of the gift of the Spirit. The traditional Pentecostal view is that every Christian should expect to be baptized in the Holy Spirit, which is a distinctive mark of glossolalia.